straight to stay on A8082.
Caledonian Canal. And that is us parked up for the next leg of being homeless. So this is where we're parked for the night. I'll leave Paul to put up the what 3 words. They'd better calm down. Can I see your ticket? Cool. So if you've already put your screen on and have no windscreen, pop your ticket in your side window. And this is us arriving in the centre of Inverness. You can see Inverness Castle up on the right. And that's basically been a 25-minute leisurely walk. I'm still knackered, but it was leisurely. Castle view, how spectacular is that? It almost doesn't look real. There's a wee glass gazebo on the top that I've never noticed before. And walking over the bridge, this takes you into the centre of Inverness.
There's a lot of vans arriving now. I hope they're all paying their £10. That water's like glass. So we've come out for a wee walk. This is Park. It's lovely. There's a big kids playground behind me. Obviously a boat and pond here. Heaps of ducks.
So that is us leaving Inverness. The car park that we stayed at was an absolute disaster. Wild horses wouldn't drag me back to it. It was noisy. The vans were parked right next to each other. Honestly, you couldn't get a baw hair between them. And I could hear the lady in the next van sneezing through the night, so God knows what she heard from us. So yeah, that was £10 down the drain. There was no bins. Oh well, we found bins on the way out, that's a lie. But they weren't marked or anything like that. There was no toilet, there was no waste disposal. Highland Council are really missing a trick. If they put in something facility-wise, they could turn that into a little gold mine, a little money earner for council funds. All that said, we got up and we went to the Botanic Gardens. Paul had a really yummy looking sausage on a roll and I had a cheese scone, delish. And then we went for a wee wander around the Botanic Garden itself and it was just beautiful. Duthie Park doesn't have anything to worry about, but I mean, it was just lovely. The smells and the sights that you saw and the birds cheeping about. We saw a little wren, which was very exciting, a little golf ball sized wren. So we are now leaving Inverness and hoping to head to the Black Isle, which we've never been to before. And that's all I've got to say. Have I forgotten anything? No. I did think about it there, I haven't forgotten anything.